Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to puff chapati on electric coil with the help of grill grate. I already have my dough ready. Let's roll the chapati. Now my chapatis are rolled. Place the chapati on the hot pan. Now white spots are appearing on the chapati. It's a time to flip the chapati.
Cook by the time you see nice brown spot on the other side. Remove the pan and place the chapati on grill grate. Chapati is puffed up. You can press it with very gentle hand to puff it completely. Cook it from the sides as well. Don't cook for so long else it will become hard or possibly you will burn the chapati. Now chapati is ready. You can serve it with butter or ghee. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.